welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. So we have done so many videos related to dev and DevOps CI/CD pipelines and deploying to GitHub pages and then Netlify. So in this video we are going to see like how to deploy a lovable project into Git pages. By using Git pages, how to deploy an app which is given by Lovable. So how to clone it and everything we are going to discuss in this video. So firstly, I have taken a Lovable account. You can just log in with your Gmail ID and anything. And then you get a simple prompt from ChatGPT. So this is the prompt. So exact YouTube clone I want to do with white and react, and some requirements I have given, clear requirements that should be there. So if you want this prompt, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely share this prompt with you. So this is my prompt. So I have given this to Lovable so that it has created me this. So then I have connected this to my GitHub repository. So it has created some GitHub repository like Pixel Perfect 2, which is from a Lovable it has created. So then I have cloned my application into my your local machine. So git clone, I have cloned that. So after cloning, I have opened that in my cursor. So in my cursor, I have done some tweaks to that. Like search is not working, I have making search workable. So after this tweak, this is the two-way exchange between Lovable. So that fix has come here in Lovable itself. So you can also add some prompts here, comments here, so that will make changes from Lovable. Also, you can do the same with cursor here, like the same at the time you can make Lovable and cursor work for you. So as per your requirements you can change this. So I have making it runnable by doing like npm install, and then here we are using bun. You can use bun install and then uh, run this application. It has opened in localhost 8080, so it is now available in our localhost 8080. So till now everything is clear, right? From Lovable we have connected to GitHub, and from GitHub we have cloned that in your local machine. So till here is fine. If you want to do any changes, extra changes, you can do by giving prompt in cursor and then do those tweaks and just commit into your repository so that it will goes to main. So once it is going to main, that will be available in your main application. So now what I want to do extra here is I want to make ZH pages. Like I want to publish this not by using Netlify but using GitHub pages. So I don't want to Netlify previously I have published this into a Netlify account. So I have URL like this netlify.app, but I don't want this Netlify kind of thing. So I want to publish this by using GitHub pages. For that, what you have to make firstly is, if it is in a private account, make it as a public repository. So then only we can publish either in Netlify or in Git pages. That should be a public repository. If I go to pages, here deploy from a branch, if I select, we should not give main branch because it is not a simple HTML page. It has packages kind of thing. We have to deploy from a branch using GH pages should be there. So to generate that GH pages branch, what the changes we have to do here is in our application. So just go down and just stop this. So for that, what we have first we have to install. So gh pages is the one of the node.js package. So that will help you to deploy your application directly to the gh branch. So first we have to install that. Let it install. So now it's installed, right? So if after installation you can go to package, and here you can see in dev dependencies you have gh pages here. So that thing is the first thing. And after that we have to go to white config.js. Here we have like defined config thing is there. Here we have to add base. So here we have to add base thing. Before plugins we can add that. So yeah, what the name you have to give wants to give, that thing you have to add here. I want here like name is whatever the name you want, give it like that. That should be a repository name actually. So repository name I'll give there. Yeah, so this is fine. So the base is the one thing. And then if you go to package.json, here in scripts also we have to add two things. One is deploy, what should be done in deploy thing. So in pre-deploy and deploy thing we have to give. In pre-deploy it should make a build. thing, and then in deploy it should make the gh pages, like dist folder should be moved to gh pages branch. So it is a white react application, it is available in dist, otherwise it will be on like it's a normal create a react app, it should be in a build folder. So these two things we have to add in scripts, and in white config you have to add base thing. So yeah, then that's it. So what we have to do here is no need to move these changes to the to your like you can move that thing also you can do. So instead of moving that, you can just deploy these things. Let me move first of all. um, Sorry, gh changes I can give like that. Yes, sync changes to your main. Yeah, so now other thing what we can do here is we can make like npm run deploy. You see production is going on, gs folder dist is happened here, it will give status like published. Now if you go to code, see commits, we have 5. After fix searches we have gh changes. If you go to actions, see publish build is happening. So once this is done, you will be getting an url. Okay, so if you go to settings here on pages, make sure if you go to pages and here gh pages deploy from a branch is selected, so otherwise it will not going to give you that thing. So if you go to actions, let's wait for is this. So now it's done. So deploy, here is the url, you can just open that. So it's see, oops, yeah, this is not there. Why? Yeah, now it is here. So yeah, it's having taken like uh taken that. Oh, it's taking time to deploy actually. Yeah, if you go to home, we will getting that. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. Check if there is any homepage kind of thing added in your application, so that is affecting this. In packages, if you go to top, there is no homepage here, no need of that homepage, so we need this only. So yeah, now our app is ready. I hope you have understood like how do we deploy any lovable and then using cursor and then deploy it to GitHub pages. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. You can also visit this website. Go to pages, settings, and then pages. Here is the URL. Visit URL. Actually, home we don't have that slash thing. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.